pretty dirty. There it is, coming for you. So obviously I've got to start on things. Disconnected pretty much everything from the body harness. Pulled the wires, pulled the engine harness through that hole. There we go. It goes through the firewall, down, and plugs into the ECU. Under there. I think I got most of the hoses, power steering hose here. Yeah, hoses, vacuum lines, things of that nature. Shifter linkage. So basically just have the 4 motor mounts holding everything up, and still have the axle to pop out of the driver's side. Already got the exhaust out. Day 2, turbo intercooler, radiator, just hanging down there out of the way, because I'll use this hook and grab the bumper right there, so I can lift the car up off the engine and then slide the engine out. Probably go to the passenger side. Control arm back together after removing the passenger side axle. So I'm just got it zip tied up out of the way so it can still spin, because I'll probably need to roll my car back. Okay. So the lower control arm is loose, and I'm just gonna give this a yank. The axle will pop out. It should just come right out. All right, I'm gonna use 2 hands. All right, she's out. I'm just gonna move this to the back side and then zip tie it up to the sway bar like I did on the other side. And then still got the drive shaft to remove. And I think I got everything else unhooked. I might look for like a furniture dolly or something too. Now it's out. And that's how you pull the engine out of an All Trac. So yeah, that's the plan, is clean it all up, fix the flywheel. I also have a new clutch I'm going to install while it's apart, and back in she goes. I was just up on this plateau. You can see I'm in New Mexico, and you can see what I have to drive across. It's just this.